Hi, Nathaniel. Thank you for doing the usability test for the performance tracking system. Um, this is for the managerial accounting and analysis course, and the performance tracking system is within the course. Um, Nathaniel, can you tell a little bit about yourself as a user of learning systems?
Yes. So I'm a student and I use Google Classroom and Actively Learn, which are basically ways you can submit assignments to your professor.
So you've worked in several group projects where you've done problem-based learning.
Yes, I have.
Okay. So here, what we'd like to do, Nathaniel, I'd like to get your feedback on, things that are good in the design here as you're using it, and then things that I can improve better in this design of the performance tracking system. The first task we have to complete is that you are going to be in a group and you're going to set up a task within a group. So I'd like you to navigate and set up a task within a group. Can you navigate to groups?
Okay.
And then you're
Right
going,
here.
yeah,
Okay.
and then you're going to um, go into week one group collaboration and status area,
Okay.
and you can you have a couple of ways where you can navigate to the task. You can scroll down, and you can see the links there.
Oh, it's right here. Okay.
Okay.
Group test.
Yeah. Now I'll let you continue to set up a task.
Okay. So I can choose whichever one I like.
Those are tasks that were already set up.
Okay.
Can you create a new group task?
Okay. Um, I can name it.
Let's say you're doing a weather project or climate change, something along those lines.
Okay.
Okay, and so let's assume that you're in a group,
Okay.
and you and me are in a group, and maybe you want to set up a task. Would you like to set up a description?
Yes, I would.
Okay, what would be a first task to set, given the problem-based learning?
We would probably want to research.
Okay, so let's put that as a description, and maybe research something about climate change or air or wind or something like that, right?
Right. Yeah.
So let's put that in there,
Okay.
like wind or something. Research wind
Okay.
changes, wind flows or something. Okay, so we'd like to set up a due date. So let's say we want to have it done by tomorrow.
Okay. So that'd be this Sunday.
Okay, and then maybe we'd like to prioritize it. It's a high priority because we want to get started on it so sooner, right? So we can prioritize it. It's high,
Right. Okay.
and then you can uh, 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 what is it? Submit
Yep.
that. Yeah. Okay, so we have completed the task of setting up a group. I'm sorry, setting up a group task. What do you think? Is that how was the navigation and the features within the system? Was it easy to navigate?
Um, it was pretty easy to navigate, and there were easy ways to go to stuff. It wasn't difficult. There weren't hidden buttons that I needed to click. It was nice and straightforward.
Excellent. Is there anything you'd like to improve in the navigation?
So far I think it's good. The only thing I would say is maybe just a little bit of more color where there would be an ideal place to click.
Excellent. Yeah, they're usually green color. I mean, blue colors are links that would set up to get us to another page and
Right.
stuff in there. That
Which
would
is
be
good.
helpful. Excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you for that feedback. Okay. The next task we're going to be doing is creating or editing a wiki. So, based on your knowledge of how to navigate now, I'd like you to go and see how you can create a wiki.
Okay. So I'll click Group Wiki. And would it be okay if I edited one?
Oh, sure, absolutely.
Okay. Okay. So, let's see. Okay.
Excellent.
I've made my edits.
Okay.
Now would I be able to submit that?
Absolutely.
Okay. Okay.
Does your edit show up?
Yep, it does right here.
Okay, great. Now, what if I wanted to comment? What if you wanted to also comment on this wiki? Can you see how to do that?
Right here.
Excellent. Can you put in a comment?
Okay. And then I can just edit?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so can you view the 2 comments that show up? Excellent. Now, the last part is, what if you were asked to view all of your contributions to the group? Where would you go and how?
I see up here there's a thing where I can click my contribution. Okay, so here's everything I've done, correct? Right here. Awesome, and now I can see what I've done.
Excellent. So and now we can close the window. Okay, let's talk about your navigation and the design of this as a user of this the performance tracker. What was your feel on the design as you were using it?
I felt it was very well made. It had a lot of quality work, and it would be very, very good to use in the future. And I find that it was easy to navigate as well.
Excellent. Is there anything you would like to change or improve as you navigated?
This was really good. It was easy to navigate to places. I was able to see what all I did. What I have noticed from other projects I've done is that when I can see what I have done, it kind of highlights or makes whatever I typed or fixed, it highlights it or makes it a different color to show that's what I did most recently.
Okay, great. So you'd like to see when you edit something or you put a comment, you'd like to see the comment you have made highlighted or having a different color to differentiate your comments from somebody else's.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Overall, do you recommend any overall, meaning the adding of the group task along with adding a wiki or editing a wiki? Would you recommend any changes or improvements overall to the navigation and the usability of it?
No, I think this is pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty good. I could see myself using this in the future.
Okay, in group projects and stuff.
Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.